name is Said Faraj.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bogor, Indonesia.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family, my parents, my 2 siblings, and me.
What do your family members?
My father is a driver online, my mother is housewife, and my siblings are student.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
What is your job, Major?
I am a student majoring in informatic at Istiqomah Al Rahmah.
What your hobby?
My hobbies are playing games and listening to music.
What is your religion?
I am a Muslim.
What is your mental status?
I am single.
What is your main goal in life?
My goals is to become successful in the informatic or programming.
What is your favorite?
My favorite music is pop.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it's an international language and very useful for my career and communication.